What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video we do have an update on Jasmy, guys. As you guys can see, it has been gaining slow value over the last 3 weeks. It has been increasing, and Bitcoin has also been going up in value over the last couple of weeks. We can currently see it is trading at $94,000 a peak here earlier on this week. So what is next for Jasmy? How high can it go? Is it worth buying, selling? That's what we'll be going through and essentially looking at its long-term update and prediction as well. But before I do that, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button. So over the last week itself, it has done a 30% increase, which is pretty good compared to how the market has been performing prior to that. And over the month, it is up just about 34%. But majority of the pump did come from essentially the last 7 days. So we are currently looking at the daily chart. If we do bring out the RSI at the bottom, it has been going up as well, currently at 59.28. So again, it is not too close to the upper bound here. It is not nowhere near being overvalued, so there is still a lot of room for increases in value. I am predicting it to head closer up to the 2 cents value, potentially going into early May. I am predicting it to head up to just over the 2 cents value and potentially higher than that in May, June, July, because I'm also predicting Bitcoin to be trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment over the next 2 to 3 months, hitting potentially a new all-time high, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. But at the moment, it is looking quite good for Jasmy over the next few weeks as well as over the next few months. So looking at the Bollinger Band, we can see it is on the upper level, and earlier last week, or sorry, 2 weeks ago, it did head over the upper level here, or over the red line, which then dropped back down in value, and right now is going through a slow and steady increase in value, and we should see that going on at a slow and steady, consistent increase in value over the next few weeks. Even though yes, red candles are always part of the process, we will see dips in between. The overall outcome should be more on the positive side. If we do zoom in into the hourly chart and bring out the MACD indicator here at the bottom, we can see the MACD line is indeed trading above the signal line and the baseline, which is again giving us a positive signal over the next couple of hours. So towards the end of the day today and over the weekend, we should see increases in value from Jasmy, getting closer up to 0.0185 to 0.019 cents in value is where I'm predicting Jasmy to be heading up to over the weekend and going into next week. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, we can see again the MACD line is again trading above the signal line and the baseline, indicating a positive outcome going into May. The first 2 to 3 weeks of May, we should see again an overall increase in value from Jasmy, but as mentioned, do expect red candles in between. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at the moment does seem to be more on the positive side. And finally, zooming on to the daily chart, over the next couple of weeks, it is still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So over the next 2 to 3 months, going into mid-year, we should see an overall increase in value for Jasmy, getting up closer to over 3 cents in value is what I'm predicting, potentially higher, getting closer to 4 cents in the second half of the year, but we have to take it at a slow and steady pace. If we go back into the CoinMarketCap website, trading volume is down 14% over the last 24 hours. However, over the week, we can see the trading volume has gone from about 34% to right now 77%, so near about more than doubled in trading over the last week, meaning more and more people are currently trading the crypto. And again, a lot of people have been asking me, is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? I personally would not sell it right now because, as I mentioned, I'm expecting it to go a higher value, than where it is at the moment. And for those of you guys who are looking to get into the crypto, I wouldn't say it's too late. However, there may be moments where the crypto is likely to take a dip down, potentially not anytime soon. But when the market does go through a minimal dip or a crash, for example, if we do see Bitcoin dropping down to below $90,000, then yes, it may drop. But at the moment, I'm not expecting that. And even if it does happen, it'll potentially just drop below 90 and suddenly just pop back up in value, where we do get days like that, hours like that, when the crypto market goes for a sudden drop due to many factors that are, that we do not know at the moment. And a lot of things do affect the crypto market. But let me know your prediction for Jasmy by the end of the year. What is the highest figure you guys are predicting this crypto to hit? Comment down below, guys. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's try and hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and I'll catch you guys in my next crypto update. Until then, take care and peace.